Introducing Sharon Holland's latest collection, Lilliput, inspired by observing the natural world through a child's imagination. Encounter sweet foxes and bunnies in 4 shades of fern green, budding pink, spring violet, and earthy clay. Available in 16 premium quilting cotton prints filled with Sharon's signature florals with a boho twist, making this kids' collection so beautifully unique. Find a complete balance between blenders, medium-sized prints, and large-scale designs ideal to piece together in your patchwork projects. Enjoy fussy cutting your favorite animals for the center of a quilt block or cutting out strips with directional prints. There are plenty of opportunities to create magical quilts like our treasure hunt free quilt pattern that will allow your little ones to go on an adventure, where they'll meet the sweetest forest critters and nature's blossoms. Link in the description box below. Flip through the pages of our Lilliput fabric lookbook to discover playful quilt blocks, adorable flocks plushies, quilts, and more that you can recreate. With the help of a few talented makers and even Sharon herself, we have put together tons of quilty projects that will get you excited to sew for your kids. Find inspiration, nursery decor ideas, and more sewing patterns in our lookbook to help you get started on all the possible projects you can create with these fabrics. There are 2 knit substrates to choose from, one called Berry Picking Dim and Fern Lilac, that would make perfect garments for any age. Our knits are super stretchy and breathable, making them ideal for the springtime. There is even one rayon substrate called Ferngully Cinnamon that has the softest hand and drape that is just calling to be made into a dress, kimono, and so much more. Looking for matching AGF elements? Check out these blenders that pair with Lilliput. We have AGF denim in indigo shadow and frosted sage, as well as pure solids in raw gold and cinnamon. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Art Gallery Fabrics channel to stay up to date with the latest collections. Until next time, happy sewing!